first step is to put the long end over the short end, then pull the long end through the hole, make sure it's tight, swing it under the other side, like this, then put it back on top of the hole, whoops, back on top to the hole, make sure it's tight, then put it over the knot as shown. Then you want to create some spacing here. Pull the tie through the bottom of the hole, and then with that spacing you created, pull it through and pull it down. Then tie it up, make sure it's level.